How to log into Binance application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using the Binance app and want to log into your existing account, whether you are signing in on a new device or returning to your account, the process is quick and secure. First of all, open up the Binance application on your Android or iOS device, and once you're inside the home page, tap on sign up/login, which will be displayed at the top right there. After you tap on that, you'll be redirected to your login page. Inside the login interface, go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number associated with your account in the tab. If you've previously signed up with Google, you can tap on the continue with Google option and follow through the prompts. Since I've signed up with email, I'm just going to type in my email and tap login. On the next page, if you've enabled passkey, then you'll need to go ahead and scan your Face ID or your fingerprint or enter your device's lock screen code and confirm. If you haven't enabled passkey, then you'll need to enter your password correctly for your Binance account. If you don't remember your password while logging in through the password option, then you can also reset your password. If you don't know how to reset your password, then you can check our other videos on the channel for resetting your Binance account's password. So right after you go ahead and follow through the instructions, type in your correct password or verify with your passkey, you'll be signed into your account immediately. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, then you'll need to go ahead and verify with your authenticator app, SMS, or email. So that's how you sign in or log into your Binance application, whether you are using an Android or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.